The world around us is changing. Materials are harder to source, regulations are shifting, and the push to net zero is accelerating. Project Cornerstone is JLR's approach to tackling this. It brings sustainable thinking into how we design and build parts, focusing on circularity, low-carbon materials, and smarter engineering. Through a concept demonstrator with around 50 co-developed solutions, reducing dependence on newly extracted resources. Cornerstone shows how sustainability can be built into everything we create, driving resilience and redefining what's possible.